In this tutorial, we'll quickly learn how to create a proof book for clients. First, click on the proof book option and name your project. Next, choose the size of the proof book, either by entering the dimensions manually or by selecting a predefined size from a printing company. Next, click on the Photo tab. Choose the folder with your desired photos and use Select All to add every photo from that folder into the photo pool. There's no need to sort or select each photo individually. Once finished, proceed to the Editor tab. Click the light bulb icon and choose the Proof Book wizard. Under Page Title Header, which is optional, enter Sarah and Jack. Skip adding a watermark text. Select the number of images per page. For me, 4 is ideal. Opt to display the file name of each image and choose Mixed Orientation for sorting by time. Finally, since I've rated images in Lightroom, I'll include only those with 3 stars or higher in my proof book. Now click on Build My Proof Book. And there you have it. In just seconds, a proof book is generated. You can restyle it using the options on the left pane or even create a custom style to match your studio's branding. Once you're satisfied with your proof book, head over to the Finalize tab. You have several options here. You can export your project as a PDF to send to a printing company, save it as a series of PSD files for further editing in Photoshop, or choose Web Album to share a cloud version with your customers. If you have ideas or suggestions for enhancing our product, please email us at featurerequest@mementopix.com. We welcome your input on what you'd like to see to help your business grow. Thank you for your time.